Good morning, dear friend. Respected Professor Dr. Jagdish Joshi, Director UGC HRDC Gujarat University Ahmedabad, respected Course Coordinator Dr. Dilip Osawa, organizers, and dear participants. I am Professor Dr. Bhimrao Chintamanrao Khade, Head of the Department of Chemistry, Jnanopasok College, Parbhani, Maharashtra. I am being here to put my feedback about first online refresher course of chemistry conducted by UGC HRDC Gujarat University Ahmedabad. First of all, heartiest congratulations of Professor Dr. Joshi sir and Dr. Dilip sir for great success of refresher course. The credit goes to Dr. Joshi sir and Dr. Dilip sir. Both these are men of dedication and having sterling qualities. In these online courses, I attended all online and live lecture of resource person. All lecture were fantabulous and resource persons were prodigious talented. My specialization is inorganic chemistry, but I enjoyed all lecture enthusiastically. Especially I liked lecture on electronic spectra of transition metal complexes, coordination chemistry, and organometallic chemistry. You know very well, electronic spectra of transition metal complexes is one of the most important tools for the elucidation of the structure of synthesized coordination compound. What is electronic spectra? What are the types of electronic spectra? How to calculate the term symbol and number of microstate? I learned thoroughly in this lecture. So thank you so much for this opportunity, sir. You know very well, Wood state that if you think that biochemistry is an organic chemistry of living system, then you are 100% wrong. Because biochemistry is a coordination chemistry of living system. One resource person very enthusiastically put the concept of coordination chemistry. What are d block elements? What are the shapes of the d block element or d orbital in metal? Splitting of d orbital in octahedral complexes, tetrahedral complexes, bipyramidal complexes, trigonal bipyramidal complexes, square planar complexes, etc. And lastly, he explained very enthusiastically John Taylor effect. What is the statement of the John Taylor effect and how this John Taylor effect can be applied? All these points are covered in this chapter. You know very well, coordination chemistry play an important role in the system of living organism. Hemoglobin, myoglobin, chlorophyll, cisplatin, all these are the coordination compound, very, very important in the system of living organism. How d orbital split in all these compounds? What is the relation between the splitting of d orbital and shape of d orbital? All these points I covered, understand betterly in this lecture. Yesterday I listened the one of the most important chapter whose title is organometallic chemistry. And in organometallic chemistry, the carbonyl compound or carbonyl group is one of the important ligand. The carbon atom of carbon monoxide has a lone pair of electron which can be donated to transition metal ion under suitable condition. And formation of compound takes place. That compound is known as organometallic compound. Organometallic compound. Or metal carbonyl. You can say the metal carbonyl. Metal carbonyl. Carbonyl group is one of the most important ligand. According to spectrochemical series, it is the strongest ligand. It having vacant pi orbital. When carbonyl group donate pair of electron to transition metal atom, electron density increases on metal, and therefore to compensate that electron density, again metal back donate pair of electron to the carbonyl group, and that pair of electron accommodated in vacant pi orbital of carbonyl group, and therefore most of the time the carbonyl group is called as pi acceptor ligands, and the whole complex is called as metal pi complexes. Professor explained very enthusiastically this point here. I am very thankful for this opportunity. Lastly, this refresher course is well planned, well organized, and multi-talented. Definitely this knowledge will be beneficial during the teaching of UG and PG classes. Thank you so much and good luck.